Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install font into your Pixellab. If you are new here, consider subscribing for more design tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. Okay, now let's get started. The first place we'll be heading to is your Google Play Store. We'll be downloading the app known as ZArchiver. So you just click on search and ZArchiver. Okay, so this is the app. I've already downloaded it. I have it on my mobile. This is the app ZArchiver. Okay, so after downloading it, you head straight to Chrome and we'll be downloading the font from this site, dafont.com. Okay, so this is the site. I'll just go and look for the font I would like to download. So I'll just go to sans serif font and I'll look for the one I would love to download. Okay, let me download the designer. I'll just click on download. So once you click on download, you just wait for it to initiate download. Okay, it has downloaded. So you click on open. You click on open, then you now choose this open with ZArchiver. You open with ZArchiver. Okay, now you click on this good first. Once you click on it, you click on extract. Then for you to select the destination, you click on this plus button, click on new folder. Okay, so for this folder, let's just be typing in my latest font. And you click on done. And okay, it has opened. Then from here you click on this arrow here, this icon, just click here and you have extracted the font successfully. Okay, now we'll be heading straight to Pixellab to add the font. Okay, so from Pixellab here, on this default font, you just go to this this font icon and you click on fonts. You click on fonts and just wait for it. Okay, now you click on my fonts and this first one, after this search, this place here, you click on the first one here and you go to this tree icon, go to downloads, right? Then you click on my latest font and you select this font you downloaded. You click on it, font, and it will be added to you. Okay, and this is it. We have successfully added the font and this is font. Okay, so this is how to download and install font into your Pixellab.